Okay, so we're going to be doing experiment 5.1 in your chemistry book, so you can open at page 149. So to start off, you have to fill a bowl with water. Just fill it up just like we have it here. Leave about a centimeter or two from the top. So we have that filled. Okay, simple enough. Next step. Fill this up with dishwashing soap to 5 mLs. You can see right here we already have this filled. So now we are going to take this over to our sink, and we are going to fill this up with 45 mLs of water. So now there's gonna be 50 in that. And now we're gonna dump that mixture into here. And so now we fill this up with 50 mLs of water. Again.
Just say 6 more times.
And then once we get this filled, we gotta fill it up with water again 6 more times. So just repeat that for a total of 7 times. And yeah, dump them all into your glass over here. Yeah. Okay, so once you finish getting your water in there, you should have a total of 400 mLs of water with 5 mLs of dishwashing soap. Now you have that, you are going to take your eyedropper and you are going to start putting drops into the graduated cylinder here. So just like this. And you're gonna count every single drop. Yes, it's gonna be a long process. You're gonna count every single drop until it hits 10 mLs. Okay? And repeat this 3 times. So you're gonna do this 3 times, and then you're just gonna average out how many drops you get. Okay? Okay, so once you average out your drops, you're going to take 10 and you're going to divide it by the number you get. Now, by doing that, you have found the volume of 1 drop of the diluted dishwashing and water mixture. Okay, so now next step. You come back to this bowl that you start with at the beginning, and you're going to sprinkle pepper lightly onto the surface of it. Water should be still at this point. So you're just gonna sprinkle pepper on it, just like this, all around it.
Don't, but the 4 of you are gonna then figure out all the unknowns too. Okay? Okay, good. Okay, let's work.
Alright, you want water? Okay, so you see here we have pepper all on it. And now what you do is you take the mixture of the dishwashing soap that you had before, and you're gonna put 1 drop in the center of this. So just like that, it should give you a big circle like this, and you measure the diameter. So the diameter is roughly it's roughly 10-11 centimeters. So now that part is done. So once you got the diameter of the circle in the pepper, you are going to find the area of that circle. So you just take the radius, plug it in, so pi times the radius squared. And so, for example, our area was 78.5 centimeters squared. So now we have the area of that circle. We'll come back to this later. So now step 17. You're going to take the average of those drops, remember that, the drops that you did a little while back. You're going to take that, and you're going to times it by 1 gram per ml. So that will just give you the mass. So now your mass should be something around this number. Okay, step 18. You're going to take that, and you're going to times it by this number right here. You're going to multiply it by that number, because that is how many, well, that is the dishwashing soap. We have 5 mLs out of 400 mLs in our little thing over here. So that's where we get the, like, 125. So you're going to times it by that, and you have, again, a number around this. Step 19. You're going to take this formula, NaC18H25O2. You need to get the atomic mass of that formula. So you're going to go over to your good old periodic table and use it. Use the bomb number there, so like hydrogen is 1, and oxygen would be like 16. take your atomic mass,
I was about to
figure that out. So it should be like 296. So now you're gonna divide this number up here again. So like this number right here. You're gonna take that, divide it by the atomic mass, and you'll get, once again, something like this. Okay, now step 21. You're going to take that and you're going to multiply it by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. You are going to do this because that is how many molecules each mole contains. And so now that you have done that, you're going to come down to step 23. And remember that area that you got earlier? This is where you're going to use it. You're going to take that and you're going to divide it by this number you just got right here. So you're going to divide by that, and this will give you the area occupied by each individual molecule. So now, all you need to do is just square that, and, well, take the square root of that, and that will give you